Good evening, YouTube. This is Jeff Carter with TBL Outdoors, Thin Blue Line, showing you my rigged out Hobie Pro Angler 14 2019 version. Got most of my wiring done today. I want to show you how I set it up. I'm going fishing in the morning, with the exception of my Hobie cart. This is where I got a Columbia PFG cooler behind my seat. It's got two pretty much puncture resistance bags in it. I'm gonna be taking 3 rods tomorrow. Got a Yak Attack net on the other side. I'll be wearing my PFD all day. This is the Onyx that I wear, the AM24. I don't think I'll be trolling, but if I will troll tomorrow, I will have at least one of these Yak Attack rod holders in use. This is the controller from my Yak Power wireless system. My Garmin 73 SV Plus touchscreen. Up there, with an extra extension added into the stock rod, is my Hobie Pro Orb, all powered up onto the Yak Power system. That one's on S for stern. Coming around to the front, I got two 18-watt USB floodlights made by Nightlights. I got them off of Amazon. Seem to be blinking a little bit. Not sure about my power supply. This is the first time I've run everything at once. Again, another rod holder. On deck inside, I got dual red button Yak Power lights for my mid deck to help me with my night vision. I got the shorty stainless cables for my 180 drive. Got a cup holder with a UE boom for my Bluetooth speakers. Got a Ram X grip to hold my phone. That's a Ziploc freezer container that's perfect for holding gulp juice, and when I'm recharging my rod or moving from one point to another, I drop the lure right in there and it recharges for me. Got the Hobie Pro side stuff. Keep a lot of leader material on this side. Lets me attach some booms, retractable things. Come on back to the net. My yak crate. Might put I got a GoPro on another Yak Attack boom that I might put on that or move that around somewhere. The Hobie Pro Orb with my flag has a quick disconnect here, and the wire runs through a Hobie through-hole port in the rear. This set of wires is for the Hobie cart hack, to let you load it up without anybody. All you gotta do is set the cart down on top of it, set the kayak on top of the cart wheels, lift up the back, and it'll pull the cart piece up into the scupper holes. Drop these stainless steel clips right here down through the scupper holes. These were paddle leashes that I'd ordered a long time ago, YYST on Amazon, and wasn't using them as a paddle leash anymore because I had them when I had a paddle kayak and not a pedal kayak. I do have the small tackle box here. It has a couple has one retractor on it, and I throw 8-up plastics and things like that afterwards. On the vest, I have at the bottom of the vest, I always have these clipped on there. They're great for clipping pretty much anything you want. Have my pliers in the other side of the Hobie Pro, and one more leader piece there. You can see fish grips right here. On this side, I flip this up under the seat as my rescue step, and attached to my Hobie anchor trolley is a metal leader. That's one of those dive catch holders. Underneath my seat, I got the Craftsman version of the VersaStack, and right next to that is my Yak Gear folding certified bunk board or ruler. So there you go. I'm gonna go back around and check out my voltage, because this is the first time I've powered everything up at once. I'm only on the one battery right now, and as you can see, with everything running, I'm at 9.9 to 10.1 volts. But I got a little bit of a flicker in one of my front lights that I got to work out. So I'm going to turn off the bow lights here. Now the bow lights are off. And the power went up to 10.6, 10.5. And I'm noticing a flicker in my midsection lights, which are the red ones. So I'm going to turn those off. Now I'm up to 10.7. And it seems that there's a, well, maybe not. I thought, yeah, there's a flicker on my Burley Pro. So I'm going to turn off my stern light. 1, 2 clicks there. So now the only thing that's red is the fish finder. And I'm up to 10.8, 10.9. The battery's tested at 12.3 before I turned anything on. So there is an amperage draw. Now I won't be fishing in the dark tomorrow, so I'm going to be taking the bow lights off, and I won't be running the Burley Pro light, just the flag, and I won't need my deck lights either. So just the fish finder, and I've run all day long with this Garmin 73 on a Naqua, one Naqua battery. I haven't even needed the second one yet. So that's my setup. That's the rig. Got some more work to do to it, but that's what I got so far. One of the things I want to get is I got some Kydex. I'm going to make a Kydex keel guard for here. I want to find some larger diameter hose to put on the front to help prevent the scraping on the pylons. Put it across here. I'm thinking radiator hose of some type from an auto parts store, and I'll probably do the same on this back H rail and try to figure out a way to bend it around this corner to help protect these plastic for when you bump into those pylons under the Bay Bridge tunnel. That's what I got. That's my system. Hope you like it.